Chapter 5: The Equity Investment Strategies. There is no single best strategy, only the one that fits your temperament, your goals, and your time. Let's walk through every major approach, what it is, its risk, and who it suits. Let's begin with the foundation, the long-term strategies that build most real wealth. The first is buy and hold. Own quality businesses for years, even decades, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. As the saying goes, time in the market beats timing the market. This is the beginner's, and often the master's, strategy. The second is the systematic investment plan, the SIP. Invest a fixed sum every month, automatically. Because you buy more units when prices are low and fewer when high, your average cost stays reasonable, that's rupee cost averaging, and it removes the stress of timing. The third is Core Satellite, a framework. Keep 70 to 80% of your money in a low-cost index core for stability, and use the remaining 20 to 30% for satellite bets, a sector, a factor, a conviction stock. The fourth is pure passive investing, simply owning the whole market cheaply through an index fund. Over the long run, most active funds fail to beat it. Simple and powerful. Now the stock picking styles, 3 great schools. The first is value investing. The idea, from Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett, is to buy a rupee of value for 50 paise, to find companies trading below their intrinsic worth. You look for low price to earnings and price to book, and you demand a margin of safety. The risk is the value trap, cheap for a good reason. The second is growth investing. Here you buy companies whose earnings are growing fast, with a long runway ahead, and you accept a higher price to earnings for that growth. The risk is overpaying. If growth slows, the stock can derate sharply. The third blends the two, quality or growth at a reasonable price. Buy a wonderful business, high return on equity, a real moat, but only at a fair price. A useful gauge is the PEG ratio, growth-adjusted PE below 1 is attractive. This is the Marcellus Saurabh Mukherjee school. The risk is that quality gets crowded and expensive. None is right or wrong. They fit different temperaments. Beyond the core styles, 4 more approaches worth knowing. First, momentum or factor investing. Buy what has recently been strong, on the evidence that strength tends to persist a while. You can do this simply through a Nifty 200 Momentum 30 index fund, which rebalances every 6 months. The warning: momentum is aggressive and prone to sudden, sharp reversals called momentum crashes. Keep it as a small satellite. Second, dividend or income investing. Own steady, cash-generating companies for the regular dividends they pay. This suits retirees and anyone wanting income rather than only capital growth. Third, contrarian investing, the boldest. Buy when others are fearful, sell when they are greedy. It means going against the crowd precisely at the extremes, which is psychologically very hard and very rewarding when right. Fourth, sector rotation, the strategy from Chapter 2. Keep rotating your weight toward the sector the macro cycle currently favors. Different tools for different investors and different market weathers. So which strategy is for you? A simple guide. If you are a beginner or simply busy with life, the honest best answer is an index SIP plus buying and holding a few quality companies. It wins more often than clever trading, with far less effort. If you are patient and enjoy hunting for bargains, value investing will suit you. If you can identify and stomach a long growth story, growth or growth at a reasonable price is your path. If you need regular income, tilt toward dividend investors. But whatever you choose, the same discipline applies to all. Size your positions sensibly, diversify across sectors, and stay the course through the ups and downs. The strategy matters less than the discipline to follow it. Now we cross into the world of derivatives, futures. Chapter 5, Gathered Up. The foundation strategies build wealth quietly, buy and hold, the SIP, core satellite, and plain index investing. The picking styles are value, growth, and quality or growth at a reasonable price. And the active approaches, momentum, dividend, contrarian, and sector rotation, each suit a different temperament and market. There is no single best strategy, there is only the one that fits you, executed with discipline. Next, we enter the high-octane world of derivatives, starting with futures.